Sarah and Zahra have spare time, so they decided to play chess. But there's no space to sit between the table, wall, and dispenser.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going on. And even when you're next to me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
In this experiment is friction. Friction is the force that opposes the rolling or sliding of one solid body over another. There are two types of friction: static friction, kinetic friction. Static friction. Static friction is the friction that acts between two stationary surfaces. Kinetic friction. Kinetic friction is the friction that acts between moving surfaces. Force required to move the refrigerator is 254 Newton, but due to matte, it is reduced to 147 Newton. For more videos like this, please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel.